Hello NIWA watch fans, right now we're gonna do an unboxing of NIWA Lunokhod watch. Alright, right here we've got 4 screws which we need to unscrew. This tab has a protective plastic so you can remove it. It will look much more nicer. And right here we've got watch itself, dock station, magnet keychain, strap, and right here you can see there is charging cable. So right here on a disc, on the back of a disc, you can see a QR code which you can scan and see all the setup instructions in video and PDF file. So I've got one more watch. First of all, you need to charge watch completely. You take a dock station and put it like this and plug in charge cable. So you see, sometimes you need to be sure that the red button will light on. Sometimes it might happen that it stopped charging, so you need to be sure that watch is charged completely. It can take about 2 to 4 hours, and when it's completely charged, a blue light will light on. So, and right now we did more horizontal angle, and you see what can happen. If we even put our wrist just a little, watch lights up. And almost every move, watch lights up by itself, spontaneously. So this is why it's very important to do more vertical angle to prevent all these flashing lights up. And if the angle will be more vertical, then the battery will last at least 7-10 days, but it should last for 15-20 days in normal usage.